So that is the question. Without using logarithm tables or calculators, evaluate 64 power half times 2700 power 2/3. You divide by 2 power 4 times 3 power 0 times 5 power 2. You can see we are not supposed to make use of a calculator nor a type of logarithm. We are only supposed to just just evaluate this without using any of those. And I want to remind you that even if you can use a calculator wisely here. Yeah, it doesn't mean that you can totally do without a calculator. You can do, but what we don't want you to do is that you press your calculator 2700 power 3, then you write the answer. Then you use your calculator 64 power half, you write the answer. 2 power 4, you write the answer. 5 power 2, you write the answer. Then you take the product of the numerator and the product of the denominator. Then you use your calculator, you give us the answer. No, you can use your calculator wisely. How do you use your calculator wisely? We know that now here, 64 is basically the same as 2 to the power of 6. So class, now instead of me writing 4, I'll simply write 2. Let me take a pen here. Good. So here, now I should be able to have it as a 2 to the power of 6. Then into, now I have a half. This one time, now here you need to be creative. 2700, I can split it into twice here. I can have it as 27 times 100. I can have it as 27 times 100. Like that. Then the power is 2 all over 3. Then all this is divided by 2 to the power of 4, then times 3 to the power of 0, then times 5 to the power of 2. So class, this is now the same as, I can simplify this already. Yeah? 2 was here once, 2 was here, 8. So I remain with 2 power 3. Then times 27 is 3 power 3. It is 3 power 3. That is 3 power 3. Then times 100. I have my 100 here because my pen is a little bit heavy. So this is 27 is 3 power 3, and of course we have times 100. I will want to retain my 100 to be the way it is, but remember this is 2, this to the power of 2 all over 3. That is to the power of 2 all over 3. Then this one is over 2 power 4 times 3 power 0, then times 5 power 2 times 5 power 2. So basically class here, this is what I want us to do. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 3. Then this one is times. Now I want to split to really spread this power inside the bracket. So that means I'll have 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3, then times 2 all over 3. I'm spreading this power inside the bracket. Then this times now that is times 100 you raise to the power of 2 all over 3. 100 you raise to the power of 2 all over 3. Then this one is basically divided by 2 power 4, then times 3 power 0, then times 5 power 2. So basically class here, this is what we'll do. We'll have 2 power 3 as the first part. The second one now, these 3 and these 3 are going to cancel. So we'll remain with 3 to the power of 2. Then times 100. Remember this, 100 is the same as 10 power 2. So we are now going to have 10 power 2, then all this 2 over 3. Then we divide by, there's one thing I don't want to keep adding here. 3 power 0 is 1. So let us not keep carrying 3 power 0. It is simply 1. So now our denominator will be 2 to the power of 4, then times 5 to the power of 2. Now there are a few things we need to really put together here. There are a few things we might need to put together. One thing, this 2 power 3, it can be combined with 2 power 4. Because it's a division, we are going to minus the powers. So that means that is going to be 2 power 3 minus 4. 4 is a power. Like that. Then this one times 3 power 2. Then times, this is 2 times 2 all over 3. So basically, it's going to be 10 power 4 all over 3. 10 power 4 all over 3. Like that. Then all these, we ought to divide by 5 power 2. So class, once we do that, I want to be able to write it on this other end. So that's going to be 2 to the power of negative 1. Then this one times 3 to the power of 2. Then times 10 to the power of 4 all over 3. Then this one you divide by basically 25. Because 5 power 2 is 5. You can further to give us 3 power 2. This 3 power 2. Then times, that is 3 power 2 times this should be 3 power 2 times 10 power 4 all over 3. You divide by. No, here, this is power 1. And 2 to the power of 1, I mean, to the power of negative 1 is basically the same as that is basically a half. So because it's a half, then this is going to, 2 is going to, that is times 5. So class, once we do that, this is times 20. This is 25 here. The class, once we do that, then 3 square is going to have 9 times 10 power 4 all over 3. Then this one you divide by 50. This one you divide by 50. And you cannot reduce it further than this, and therefore this becomes our simplified version of the answer. That becomes the simplified version of our answer. So that is it. I want to bring in the next question. So perhaps I want to give you a minute to look at the next question.